everybody, welcome back to my channel. Every day is a gift, and I'm so grateful you decided to spend a part of that gift here with me. Today, I just wanted to take you guys what my typical days have been looking like lately. As some of you may or may not know, I work part-time from home, but I still try to prioritize my well-being, exercise, while simultaneously trying to maintain a healthy diet. I tend to wake up around 6:30 these days, just depending on how many times I hit snooze. I've recently done a full morning routine video, so if you guys want to check that out, that is one of my more recent videos. You guys, welcome back to another video. It's been kind of quiet this morning, and that was just my vibe. That's what I'm feeling. I'm back from the gym. It is 8:15 now. I actually realized I hadn't been to the gym in like a week, which is fine. Like you guys know, if you watch my goals video, my goal this month is to honor my body. It's still technically July 31st, but I've been kind of embodying that the last week. So even though I didn't go to the gym, I did go on walks and I did do some yoga and some stretching like that last week. But this is my first day back in about a week, which it felt good. Like I felt really good today, and honestly it felt really good to take that break. Sorry, my glasses are very reflective. And I did a full body workout. As you guys saw, I also did change my program this morning, and I'm gonna see how that goes for a while. But the best thing about having a membership with the Evolve You app is I can switch it up at any time, but I actually liked being in and out. I was not unfortunately able to wake up early enough to go for a walk, but I'm just okay with it. You know, I'm not going to be stressed out about not getting out for a walk. So I just need to hop in the shower and then make some quick breakfast, and then I will start preparing my bag and stuff for work. I have been going to my local Starbucks to work because I like the view. The coffee is delicious, and it's just really nice to get outside of the house when you're working from home. So, and the Wi-Fi is pretty good. So I'm going to go there today. That is the plan, and I will show you guys. You guys have probably seen me order the same thing, but I'll show you guys like my coffee, my go-to coffee that I get while I work for a couple of hours. So I forgot to put on deodorant before my workout on my pits. California. It's where the people came to play. So this is my breakfast today. I did 3 scrambled eggs, 2 pieces of sausage, and I'm gonna have a piece of toast as well. And honestly, I am starving, so I'm going to eat all of this food. Actually, this is pretty good for protein for me. I don't track, as you guys know, my calories or anything like that because it's just not for me. But between the 3 eggs and then the 2 pieces of sausage also have about 7 grams each, I believe. It's pretty good. I was at Starbucks for a couple hours, and now I'm coming back home for lunch. I always come home for lunch. I would prefer not to buy lunch and a coffee out, so my go-to is like a flat white with raw sugar. So that's what I got at Starbucks, but I'm making chicken nuggets for lunch. This is a typical lunch for me, you guys. I don't always eat the most healthy, well-balanced meals. Sometimes I'm just in a crunch, and when I'm in a crunch, I make chicken nuggets. So I have chicken nuggets in the oven right now, and I might have them with carrots, or sometimes I just eat the nuggets and it's just enough. So I'm going to have that for lunch.
You slap every time.
Just checking in. It's 5:30. I've done probably nothing, literally nothing. I did work for a few hours and then I've just been on YouTube, but I am getting hungry and I took some salmon out, so I hope it's thawed. Let's go see if it's thawed and then get cracking on dinner. If the salmon's not thawed, I have no idea what I'm doing for dinner, what we're doing for dinner. Chick-fil-A would be good though. Let's go see if it's thawed. And if not, I'm going to recruit my family to get Chick-fil-A. Ooh, it feels like it thawed out. So we got these 2 pieces. I honestly have no idea what the significance is of the cedar plank. I just got them because they were on a good sale. So I'm going to take these out and season them and then throw them in the oven at 375 for about 20-25 minutes. This is lemon pepper. These are the extra fine whole green beans. These are just so tasty. So dinner tonight, salmon. That yellow rice is actually left from dinner last night, so I just put that in the microwave for a few minutes, and then also the green beans, which I put salt and a little bit of vegetable seasoning on. I am so freaking hungry. And honestly, you guys, this to me is a very low-key dinner, super easy to make. Salmon to me is so easy to make, and I mean frozen vegetables and leftover rice. I mean, doesn't get more simple than that. Like nothing is more satisfying than a delicious dinner after a long day. I am desperately trying to get better at closing out the vlogs, but it's definitely still a work in progress. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content. Every day is a gift, and I'm so grateful that you decided to spend part of that gift here with me today. Thank you guys. I love you, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.